Why is risk management so important when it comes to trading or investing? Because a lot of people start off their trading or investing journey right from tools and trade management, and ultimately they know that at this point of time I have to buy this particular stock and this can be my potential target, but they don't know the most important thing, that if this particular trade goes wrong, then what is the maximum amount of loss which I'm ready to incur. So that is why most of the people, those who start off their trading journey and they're completely unaware about risk management, they wipe out their trading capital in the first initial 90 days itself. So ideally, in order to avoid wiping out of our trading capital, what we can do is to have proper risk management at its place, that if this particular trade goes wrong, if this particular trade goes against me, then this is the maximum amount of loss which I'm ready to incur, and it can be based on certain percentage like 1%, 2% of our overall trading capital and so on. And eventually, once we apply proper risk management at its place, we can keep very small risk for the potential higher rewards as well. And that's how we become a profitable trader.